Bond. James Bond.
Hey boy, JB here. Today I'm making some chili with some Geberharder Gibraltar chili powder. I don't know how you say the damn thing. Geberharder something or another, I don't know. Anyway, I got some of that chili over here, boy. Some of that chili. I got some salt. You can't see it. It's right here with the pepper and some oregano, some cumin. Here I got some onions, some bell pepper, and here I got some garlic. And here's my favorite garlic chopper right here. Watch this, boy. Can you see down there? Good. Chopped. See that? Kind of like Wan Can't Cook. All done. Like that. Now, that's ready to go in the pot. Y'all paying attention? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start my ground meat. And all this stuff going to go in there. And we might have to adjust the seasoning a little bit. Might have to put a little more cumin, a little more salt. Don't know yet. We're just going to have to see. And this is a damn Cajun chili sauce, boy. Why is it Cajun? Because I put bell peppers in it. So I'm calling it Cajun. JB style. Okay, so the first thing you do is make a roux. What? Oh, we ain't making no roux today. Sorry boy. We making hot dog chili. No roux. Why not? It'd be good with a roux. Don't make faces at me. Camera boy back there. So I'm browning that ground meat. And I want to thank SS. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I'm going to do it again. For sending me this chili powder, amongst other things. So the ground meat's in there. I'm going to go ahead and put the salt and pepper in right now. But that's about it until the ground meat browns all the way. Now I could add some of this LeBlanc's. That's Le Blanc. Good it's not LeBlanc's. It's LeBlanc Creole seasoning. I like this one a little better. I just found this one in the store. And the first ingredient in this one naturally is salt, but then garlic, then red pepper, and other stuff. Tony's is salt, then garlic is way down on the list. But this one, you got a garlic kick in it, boy. I like this one. This one's made by LeBlanc's Cajun Specialty in Gonzales, Louisiana. He don't have no website that I see on here, but he got a phone number. I'll post that for you. This is way cool. Watch this. We're on a commercial break. Stand by. Just kidding. Look, a limited edition Zapp's potato chips, Caribbean key lime. It's brand new. Ain't never tasted it before. We're going to have to give them a little sample and see what they like. Go eat them with the hot dogs. Because I don't feel like making no damn French fries, boy. How about that? Oh, JB, what did you do while you was at commercial break? I browned the ground meat and drained it, boy. Now I put some bell peppers and onions in the pan. I'm going to brown them. Or saute them, I'm sorry. Down here we just cooking. That's all. Hey boy! Down here! There them onions and bell peppers all sauteed. I got a secret brand of diced tomatoes. It ain't no damn secret. Use the kind you got, boy. Ow. Let's open it up. And we're going to put them in the pot. No submarines, no battleships, no space stations, no quantum physics. Alright, crank the heat up, stir it around. We're going to let that get a little water out of there. Then we're going to put the ground meat in there. Meanwhile, I might just go ahead and dump the rest of the seasoning in there. It don't matter. Stir around some. See there? Worry it, boy. Worry the hell out of it.